Alright guys, we're gonna come up to two mini roundabouts. First one we're gonna turn right, second one we're gonna go straight, and on the next roundabout is where the student makes the error. So have a look. We're gonna come up. Remember, you have to give way to what's on your right hand side. That includes what's in front of you. So behind these cars, two cars, is that red car, and there student should have stopped. You can see the sudden stop at the moment, and they were stopped by the examiner. And that was it really. So just forgetting to give way to those cars in front, or maybe they thought they had a quick chance to go. I'm gonna replay the video again just so you get to see it. So yeah, here we come. The first two cars are going straight. The red car is turning, clear signal on, and then we don't end up waiting. The truck actually doesn't signal, so that would have been a bit harsh if that was the only car turning in. But the red car was clear. So one more time, have a look, and then first two are going straight, red car turns in, you have to wait. Okay, they're not blocked by anyone on their left, so they're not going to be waiting. So yeah, this van, the white one, does the correct signal. But anyway, that's it unfortunately, and I just hope you guys can learn from this. It's really important.